Today we're diving into a crucial topic for commercial vehicle operators in New York, the International Registration Plan, or IRP. This plan is a game changer for those navigating multiple states and Canadian provinces. So what exactly is the IRP and why should you care? The IRP is essentially a cooperative agreement among U.S. states, the District of Columbia, and Canadian provinces. It simplifies the registration process for commercial vehicles crossing state lines. Instead of registering in each state separately, you get one registration plate and cab card, making life a whole lot easier. For New York operators, the IRP is indispensable. It streamlines registration requirements across jurisdictions, saving time and money. Imagine not having to juggle multiple registrations and the associated costs every time you cross a state line. With IRP, fees are based on the miles traveled in each jurisdiction, which could mean significant savings. Let's talk about the key benefits. First, you get a simplified registration process. One set of credentials covers all participating jurisdictions. Second, it's cost efficient. You only pay fees proportionate to your vehicle's travel in each area. Third, legal compliance is a breeze. You're covered across all jurisdictions, reducing the risk of fines. Finally, it offers operational flexibility, allowing you to plan routes without extra registration hassles. If your vehicle is over 26,000 pounds or has multiple axles and you operate across state lines, IRP registration is essential. Make sure you have proof of ownership, insurance, and the right mileage records ready. Accuracy in documentation is key to a smooth application process. Applying for IRP might seem daunting, but breaking it down helps. Gather all necessary documents, fill out the forms accurately, and calculate fees based on your mileage. Submit your application online, by mail, or in person, and wait for approval. Remember, each method has its pros and cons, so choose what best suits your needs. Need to renew your registration? Keep your documents updated and submit your renewal application before the deadline to avoid any disruptions. Lost or damaged your IRP items? Report them immediately and follow the process to get replacements. Now, let's touch on apportioned plates, which are part of the IRP. They allow for a single registration that covers multiple jurisdictions. This makes registration simple and ensures fees are fairly distributed based on road usage. Plus, they offer incredible benefits like reduced paperwork and cost efficiency, all while keeping you compliant. The IRP and the International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, work together to make life easier for operators. While IRP handles registration, IFTA takes care of fuel tax reporting. Syncing these systems reduces paperwork and boosts efficiency. Of course, issues can arise during registration or renewal, but there are solutions. Ensure your documents are complete, track deadlines, and verify your fee calculations. If things get complicated, FMCSA registration is here to help. Remember, the New York DMV is a key player in IRP administration, processing applications, calculating fees, and issuing credentials. They offer a range of resources to assist you, including an online portal and customer service support. For more detailed assistance, FMCSA registration offers tailored packages and ongoing support to ensure your IRP process is smooth and stress-free. Visit fmcsaregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in.